This video will help you pair the RFGB wireless controller with the pairing button and the RFSAI-61B-SL. Using an appropriate tool, press the sliding latch to activate the programming button. The red indicator light will blink to show pairing mode. Next, hold the prog button on the device you want to control. Press a button on the controller to select the desired function. End the programming on the device with a short press of the prog button. Then, end the pairing mode on the controller with a short press of the pairing button. Insert the batteries. You can now control the paired devices.